Hello. So it's been forever since I've done a sneaker video. I just have been lazy and just have not felt like really doing a sneaker video. I barely even really get dressed to go anywhere unless it's running to the grocery store. And sometimes when I am out, I am tired when I get back in and I just don't feel like being bothered with no on-foot sneaker review. So I've had these waffles for about, I don't know, 2 months now. And I have worn them once. This is my second time wearing them. And I don't even think I did a video showing them. So these are the Nike Waffle Racer in a size 8. And the color is white and university red. This is the box. The price on these are $85. Ain't much to it, so they should be about $50. But the waffle racers are different than the tailwinds. They look a little the same, but of course the waffle racers are the waffle racer is, it's like a running shoe, so it's a little bit more slim cut, not as bulky, more barefoot feeling. I don't even see you wearing, unless you're wearing some really thin socks or you get them like a half a size bigger, you being able to wear a sock with these, because it's a running shoe. It's really nothing much to the shoe. So, but I love waffles. I love tailwinds. It's just such a comfortable shoe to just throw on. Nothing really special about them. But it's just a nice shoe. A nice simple shoe to throw on. And they do got some dope colors too, and some waffle racers, a few colors that are coming out that I do want to get my hands on. I don't think it's a whole bunch of really big waffle racer fans out there, but I think for the right color, people do buy them out. So that's it for this one. Okay, so this is another pair of waffle racers that I got. Backstory on these. I saw these and it said red. Team red, metallic silver, white. So I said, oh, red. I love a red shoe. So on the site, it looked like it was a little bit dark, but then again, I said it could be just, you know, if they put like a filter on it, you know, and it looked a little bit more red, but a part of me was saying they kind of look maroon or burgundy. But it said red, and I think they were like $70. They were on a sale, $65, $70. So I went ahead and got them. It's a size 8, size I wear. This is the box. Again, it was on sale. And again, it says Team Red, Metallic Silver. Now, I don't know if somebody at Nike is colorblind, but when you say red, you mean red. If you say red, this is red. So I guess they Team Red, University Red, Blind as a Bat Red. You know, it's all different colors. I don't know. But these are just another pair of waffle racers. Had I known they was burgundy, I probably would not have gotten them. They probably would have worked for me last year when my son was in middle school, because his colors were burgundy and white and black. Now it's red and white and black. And the school that my son is going to is red and blue and white, red, white, and blue. But the school that my other son goes to is, they are burgundy and white and gold. So it may work for that, but other than that, I really don't see myself wearing these too much just because of the color. Not to say it's a bad color. I don't think I got any burgundy shoes. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't looking for no burgundy shoes. I was looking for red, damn it. So, yeah, hopefully these don't just sit and I'll bust them out. I don't even know what I got burgundy. Shoot. Also, what I like about the tailwinds and the Waffle races, y'all know I love off-whites, and the tongue just give you that off-white feel. You know, the deconstructed tongue. So, these are the University Red, as Nike would say. Waffle runners. Yeah, I'm back again. So I think I showed these unboxing, but I never worn them. And I definitely never did an on foot. My daughter got me these for Mother's Day, so that's how long I had them for. And I didn't like the laces in them. I was lazy. The other green lace was laced up in my Yeezy 500s, and I just didn't feel like unlacing them to put the green ones in. The laces that they came with was these cheap white laces. It wasn't even a good white lace that I could have just kept it in. I just felt like they could have done better with the laces. On the other tailwinds, they gave you pretty decent thick laces. I don't know why they went cheapy on these, but these are the Nike N354s. Again, I have not worn them. I did come in here one night and say, let me go ahead and take the other green lace out the Yeezys. And so it probably take me about another year to put the other blue lace inside the Yeezy 500s, because I had the blue laces in, and I have one blue lace and one green lace. And we all know on them Yeezys, they're a pain in the ass to lace up and unlace. You know, so I finally got them laced up. And one day I'll wear them. The one thing I don't like what they do with some of the tailwinds is this net mesh. I think they should do it darker. You could kind of see your toes. I know that it's there unless you all up on me and looking down at my feet and I don't have any socks on. That's the only way that you'll see my toes. That's why I haven't worn the Be Trues. I think I wore them things one time to church, and I ain't wear them no more because I just didn't like how you can see your feet. It would help if this tag wasn't in the way, right? So if you've been following me for any time, you know I love greens and blues. And out of all the colors that they had, I had to get this black and green just because it had the green in it. I'm real big on green and blue shoes for whatever reason. I just like green and blues. You know, red is my favorite color, but I love greens and blues when it comes to sneakers. So that's going to be that on these. Okay, so I don't think I did an on foot on these. I know I did an unboxing. These are the women's Jordan Delta in a size 10. When I saw these online, I kind of fell in love with them. I was like, oh, those are so nice. And I got them. I probably could have been without them because, again, I probably don't see myself pulling these out. It is a comfortable shoe. Comfortable, a walk all day shoe, actually. So probably maybe on a game day when I have to do a lot of walking and stuff like that, you know, opposed to trying to floss and your feet be all uncomfortable. Some of these sneakers, just truth be told, you know, they ain't meant for standing and walking all day. That's just what it is. And I don't got time for my feet to be hurting. They do, to me, run a little big, so I can wear socks with these. I probably should have got a 9.5, but I just went with my true size in women's, which is a 10. But I like the colors. They had an ice white one, too, that I liked better, but I couldn't find my size in the men's or in the women's. So I just went with these. But again, had I seen them in person, I probably would not have gotten them. They look better on the screen, but it's not a bad shoe. It's not a bad shoe, especially, you know, just for kind of kicking it, going out shopping. You're just trying to be low key and you just want to throw something, you know, cute on. This also could be a good workout shoe as well, in my opinion. So it may be one of those where I go and work out because it really is comfortable. So this may become a workout shoe for me. Although I like my workout shoes to be kind of barefoot fit or sock fit. Kind of like this type of material. So that's what I do. Like, I like more of the barefoot feeling with my workout shoes. But say if I'm doing like a weight class or something like that, I can throw these on because they are comfortable. And I'm not a huge Jordan fan either. These are Jordans. You know, you got that hint of 3M right there on the top of the shoe. I don't know if y'all can see it. Got the Jordan on the tongue. But I do like this ice blue green. Again, I like greens, any color greens. Light green, ice blue. I love those type of colors. Some blues, like baby blue or sky blue. It's kind of hard to pair those types of things together like these. I think I wore these one time, but it's just hard for me to find something to really pair them with because I like a lot of dark denim. I really don't wear, and even if I put on these, they just, with this type of medium denim, it just don't go. So I think I wore these one time, and it's a nice shoe. I just would have preferred to get the green color, but they didn't have them in my size. So I like colors that's easy. I could throw on anything with them. You know, I don't have to worry about mixing and matching. I think that's what a lot of people with the Yeezy Inertias, because they felt like they couldn't match them, but I can match those really good because it has green in them. And also has blue. It has like that light blue that you see in denim, dark denim jeans that has that blue running through them. The Yeezy Inertias pair very well with a really dark denim. Like this color denim. Because when you stretch it, that blue will show through. So you can hook them Inertias up with it really, and I like deep blue jeans. So that is it for my on foot for now. I do have some sneakers coming in. Hopefully soon. I pre-ordered. It's from a new brand to me, and I think he's been making sneakers for a year. Since 2019, I had to pre-order his shoe because when he did the drop, it ran out. But that's one thing I like about him is that if you don't catch it on the drop, because he's became really popular. People who didn't get them will say, can you please put these up for pre-order? And he will put them up for pre-order. Only thing about pre-order is you have to wait for them to be actually made. So it can be up to 2+ months for them to be made and shipped to him, and then to his warehouse, to his facility center, for them to ship it out once he get the shoe. So that's the only thing about pre-orders that suck. You just don't know how long, when you're going to get the shoe. So other than that, hope you enjoy my on foots. And thank y'all for watching. Give me that thumbs up. Peace, and y'all be safe.